So hi guys, it's Mwait out here, So let me show you, how to find your Moz API, So guys, all you need to do is just go on moz.com, moz.com, and log in. So once you are logging, let me come back here. Let me come back here in product. So once you are logging guys, you will see a dashboard just like this, for example. So all you need to do, is just come here, into your profile pic, you come into account and billing. So right now we are into account and billing. So all you need to do is just scroll it down to API. You see? So all you need to do after is just click into this button dashboard. And click in access, and you see your access ID, Moz access ID, and your secret key ID. So thank you a lot guys, and have a great day.